Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Got a beautiful day here. What is it, March 10th or something like that. And we got too much electric. So figured on I'll be using some of it up. So a few years ago I made some maple syrup, but I had a flat stainless pan on a wood fire and all that stuff, and I decided it was too hard to find firewood and mess around with it, so I give it up. So this year I thought I'm just going to tap. I think I got 3 trees tapped. This is one of them in the backyard here. And it's running today. You can see it dripping in there. I've already emptied them once. And I'm just using one of the wife's cooking pots and an induction cooker. I'll take you in. I got it in the garage, running off the garage system. I eliminated some PEX pipe that used to run out here to the garage for, well, come from the garage into the house with some hot water, but it went bad. So okay, this is how I'm doing it. Just sits there. I keep filling it up all day long. We're running 1200 watts. It's getting about time to fill it back up again. And that's running off the power mister here. This is on its 3rd year. And what are we using? 1670 watts. And we're still charging with 5 amps. So, just a quick video, show you what you can do with some extra electric if you got some maple trees and want to bother. Maple syrup, the real thing, is so much better. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.